Tired of losing your spot in a Coursera course? Here is how to resume in one click. I will show you the exact steps. Log in, find My Learning, and hit Resume. Let us go. So here is the situation. You were making great progress on a course. Life got busy. Maybe you had to step away for a few days or even a couple of weeks. Now you come back, sign into Coursera, and nothing. You're just staring at a homepage full of recommendations and pretty thumbnails. Where did your course go? You start clicking around, checking your profile, digging through menus. It is frustrating, right? You just want to get back to learning, not play hide and seek with your own progress. Well, the good news is that Coursera actually makes this really simple once you know exactly where to look. And that is what we are going to cover right now. This guide from AI Mastery is going to save you that headache for good. First things first, go ahead and log into your Coursera account. If you are already logged in, you are one step ahead. Just open up your browser and head to Coursera.org. Sign in with your email and password, or however you usually log in. It is the same routine you have done 100 times before. Now that you are in, you are on the main dashboard. Here is the key step. Look up at the top right corner of your screen. Right next to your profile icon or your name, you will see a button that says My Learning. Click on that. This is your command center. This is where Coursera keeps track of every single course you have ever enrolled in. Think of it as your personal library of learning. It is not buried in some settings menu. It is right there, front and center. Once you click My Learning, you will land on a page that shows all your courses. Now, this can be a bit overwhelming if you have taken a lot of classes. You might see courses you completed years ago, ones you just browsed once, and the one you are currently working through. But do not worry, Coursera organizes everything for you. You will see a row of tabs near the top of the page. There is one for completed, one for saved, and the one we care about the most, in progress. Go ahead and scroll down a little bit, or just click on that In Progress tab. This filters out all the noise and shows you only the courses you have actively started. This is exactly where your lost course will be. It should be right there, listed with its title and a progress bar showing how far you got. Now for the final step. Look at the card for your course. See that blue button on the right side that says Resume? That is your golden ticket. Click that button, and just like that, Coursera will take you directly to the exact spot where you stopped. Not the beginning of the course, not to a search page, to the specific lecture or quiz where you left off. It is that fast. And there you have it. No more digging through menus, no more rewatching lessons you already finished, just you and your course picking up right where you paused. If this tip saved you some time, give this video a thumbs up. And if you want more quick tricks for getting the most out of your online learning, hit that subscribe button. I will see you in the next one.